Our fish is almost complete. We're ready to attach a loop so that we can hang it and get the full effect, all sides of the fish. What we're going to do is we're going to use another pipe cleaner. We're going to cut it down to about half its size. Identify the top half of the fish. And we're going to take this in and we're going to loop it around. We want to attach it to the fish and then bring it back through. This is going to give us a loop for hanging. Back up to the top. Twist these all the way around. We want to make this look like a nice, neat loop. Then we can straighten it out. And from here, we can apply some fishing line for hanging. You can also use beading wire, any kind of string. But I like the fishing line because you can't see it. We'll tie a loop at the top. And we have everything we need to hang our fish.